Hi, I'm Jamie.
Hello, Jamie. I'm Alex. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you, Alex?
I'm great. What do you like to do, Jamie?
I like to play. What do you like to do, Alex?
I like to draw pictures.
Wow, that's fun. What is your favorite color, Alex?
My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite color, Jamie?
My favorite color is red.
Blue and red are great colors. Do you have a pet, Jamie?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have a pet, Alex?
Yes, I have a cat.
I like dogs and cats. What is your cat's name?
My cat's name is Whisker. What is your dog's name?
My dog's name is Buddy.
Whiskers and Buddy are cute names. What do you like to eat, Jamie?
I like to eat pizza. What do you like to eat, Alex?
I like to eat ice cream.
Pizza and ice cream are yummy. What is your favorite game, Alex?
My favorite game is hide and seek. What is your favorite game, Jamie?
My favorite game is tag.
Hide and seek and tag are so much fun. It was great talking with you, Jamie.
It was great talking with you too, Alex.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Bye-bye.